The future of smart homes. How intelligent cleaning devices like Tineco are changing everyday life. Smart home technology has gone mainstream, and Tineco is leading the evolution of intelligent floor cleaning by replacing tedious manual chores with real-time automation and adaptive performance. Smart vacuums utilize built-in sensors to analyze dust density and floor texture. By automatically optimizing performance, they eliminate repetitive labor and protect delicate surfaces like hardwood floors from damage. This all-in-one vacuum and mop features an upgraded iLoop smart sensor and high-temperature steam sanitization. It autonomously adjusts cleaning intensity to eliminate bacteria while efficiently preserving battery life. Featuring a flexible 180-degree lay-flat structure, this model effortlessly slides under low furniture. It solves a universal pain point by providing smoother movement and highly sensitive real-time adjustments. Engineered with professional anti-tangle brush technology and a hands-free self-emptying dock, this model significantly reduces daily maintenance. It is highly rated by pet owners for eliminating stubborn hair clogs. This ultra-lightweight cordless stick vacuum offers a beginner-friendly interface with adaptive suction control, making it ideal and energy-efficient for quick daily cleanups. Tineco's ecosystem represents the future of smart homes through automated, energy-efficient, and self-maintaining hardware that minimizes physical labor.
Go to GearBrain for more information.